Hi there, and welcome to MindHyv. My name's Drew. I'm one of the co-founders for MindHyv, and I'm extremely excited that you're here. We've been working for a very long time and very hard to kind of bring this concept to life, and you joining our application really means a lot to us. So thank you so much for your support, and we're really looking forward to all the things that we can bring to you from MindHyv for the future. So I want to go over real quickly what the application is and what you have available to you. So MindHyv is designed to be a system that integrates with a number of different applications within its own ecosystem. The first of those is HyvSync. Now, HyvSync is an application that allows you to build out a profile that describes you as an individual, what you can do, the different types of portfolios that you might have. And it allows you to have a public-facing link that you can go ahead and share and use for marketing purposes for all the things that you do. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to be a professional profile. It can be something for personal use as well, but it's available to you. It's simple to use, and you can go ahead and build that out very easily by just going over to the HyvSync application in the left-hand bar there. Within the HyvSync application, there's a services builder. You'll find that button at the top of the page. What that allows you to do is build services out in the platform, and these are services that you offer. So if you're a logo designer or a graphic designer of some sort, or maybe a coder, developer, whatever it may be, you can add services that you offer as a freelancer or as a business person and have that uploaded to your profile so that people can go ahead and view those when you share your profile out. In addition to that, the services that you build go onto our marketplace. And in the marketplace, clients will be able to search for your services and connect directly with you within the platform so they can purchase those from you. Now, purchasing within the platform is not available at the time of this recording, but we're working on it. And so hopefully down the road, we'll be able to give that to you so that it becomes a more seamless transaction process. The next part I want to talk about is Connect. HyvConnect is our chat application. It allows you to communicate with users within the MindHyv ecosystem so that you have smooth communication across the board. This includes with your clients. And last but not least, one of the systems that we've built that we're extremely proud of is our very generous referral system. The way this works is every single user in the MindHyv ecosystem has the ability to refer other users to the platform. And in doing so, that user that's been referred is tagged to you for the lifetime of them being on the platform. This means that if they become a paying subscriber, that you will receive a portion of their subscription based off of your current tier that you are subscribed to. So even free users get a commission. You can find the information for that in our other videos and on our website. And you can also go ahead and see our subscription tiers by clicking upgrade in your account. So that's what's available to you right now within the MindHyv ecosystem. We've got more features coming down the pike, so please stay tuned. Go follow us on YouTube and X and Instagram and Facebook so that you get the updates regularly and you can see what we're adding. And also, if you need support, you can go ahead and click on the support link in the bottom left-hand side of your screen and get in touch with us if you have any issues. We pride ourselves on user feedback, and so whatever you give us, we're going to take into consideration for building the platform because we want to build this for our users. MindHyv was designed with the average person in mind who wants to make their dreams come true. And we're building that platform brick by brick with your input. So please give us feedback and tell us how you like the application. And again, if you follow us on social media, please leave us some comments. Let us know what you think. I hope you really enjoy MindHyv. We're excited to have you here.